Hi, I'm Pete Doherty, the Director of Services for Dynamics over here at Alta Vista Technology. Here to talk to you a little bit about Power BI today. If you're in the finance department, I'm sure you've done a report or maybe two over your span there, and getting the data together for that is quite an effort some days. But the real game changer with doing reports nowadays is Power BI. It really helps Business Central bring out the data and allow you guys to connect to other systems and take that financial data and some of your non-financial data and mash it together and come up with some KPIs that are allowing you to do data-driven analysis of your business and make decisions based on those KPIs and the data that you're presenting. The other nice thing with Power BI is it's in the web. You're not trying to track down an Excel file. Where did I do this last time? How did I do it? How did I compile data? In Power BI, the data is connected. It comes in, and the reports can stay up to date, real time. And then you can also design Power BI to be presented on your cell phones. So for your managers that are maybe out on a plant floor or traveling, gives them a quick way to take a look at the data and the KPIs going on so they know what's going on with the business. There's a lot more that goes on with Power BI when it comes to working with that data. You have opportunities to use Power Automate and Power Apps inside of there so you can expand it even farther and take it to another level of being able to do things. Just keep looking at data in ways that you can help your business, and Power BI usually gives you an opportunity to do that. It also allows you to have the summary and then drill into detail reports. It just all depends on how far you want to take and build your Power BI reports to work with your company. The fact that we are pulling this information from Business Central also keeps it GAAP compliant, because your data is obviously following the accounting rules inside of Business Central. It will allow you to have financially backed reports that are already approved from going through your month end and year end processes. Power BI with BC um, is great because right now Microsoft has Power BI reports that come out of the box ready to go that are you can look at and use and can potentially expand upon and build some customizations in for your data. And with Power BI, we're not only connecting to Business Central, we can connect to other systems as well. Just that's going to come down to how those systems work. You can connect through APIs. If you have an export out of another system that gets to an Excel file, that can be imported in and then married to your financial data. So it really is a powerful tool that can bring in multiple systems into one place to do reporting and then allow you to present that data and give KPIs where before it was, bringing all those data points to a file and then constructing a report to present to everybody else, and then it's not really real time. With Business Central, it can stay as real time as fast as you can get the data to Power BI. Just remember, Power BI isn't just about reporting; it's about marrying your data together. Even from systems outside of BC, other systems that you need to tie data from, make it digestible, and allow you to give reports that end users can actually understand and then drill into if they need to, or make decisions off of quickly. Get ready to move from spreadsheets to a smart dashboard so that your company can make decisions quicker and smarter than they have in the past. Thank you and look forward to working with you in Power BI.